Hi, in today's video, we will talk about tracking progress. Till now, we talked about planning. Now, once the plan is done and the teams have started executing, how do we track progress? The role of a Scrum Master. The Scrum Master serves as a facilitator and coach with the Agile development framework, responsible for ensuring the effective implementation of Scrum practices and principles. The Scrum Master facilitates Scrum events, removes impediments hindering the team's progress, and coach team members on following other Agile methodologies. Acting as a servant leader, they empower the team, promote continuous improvement, and facilitate conflict resolution. Hence, it's essential to have a Scrum Master for your team. Now, which ceremonies can we use to track progress? One of the key ceremonies is daily stand-up, typically not more than 15 minutes. The daily stand-up helps monitor the updates provided by the team members on their progress since the last stand-up and identify any impediments they encounter. The action items to remove any potential impediments are identified during the stand-up and those are followed upon. Now, for large teams, you might also need Scrum of Scrums. The Scrum of Scrums is a scaled Agile framework practice that facilitates communication and collaboration among multiple Scrum teams working in interconnected projects. Typically conducted at regular intervals like once a week or twice a week, representatives from each Scrum team gather together to discuss progress, dependencies, and potential impediments that could impact the overall progress and identify the mitigation plans. The next one is sprint review. Monitors the demonstration of completed user stories or features and gathers feedback from stakeholders. It is also used to track additional action items and decisions made during the previous sprint review for follow-up. Sprint retrospective. This is one of my favorite meetings in terms of improving the process. So in retrospective, discuss what went well, what didn't, and identify areas of improvement. And then track action items for process improvements and changes to be implemented in the next sprint. While tracking activities are in progress for the current sprint, do not forget backlog refinement to keep feeding your backlog for the upcoming sprints. So in backlog refinement, continue grooming the user story or backlog items to ensure they meet the definition of ready for the teams to pick up. Then track any changes or updates made to the backlog based on the discussions and feedback. Thank you.